Hello my friends, today I have another template for you. This will be a 3D box made in Fusion for Davinci Resolve. Files you can download on my blog, and links for my blog will be under the video in video description. Firstly, I have to apologize for my English because English is not my native language, but I will do and try my best to explain everything clearly. As you can see here, this is finished, but what we're gonna do is go to FX library and take the new one from the FX library just by drag and drop, and then ungroup, and you will get the same exact thing. So let me explain how you can do this, how to make it. If you want to make a little bit larger, if you want to change something, you can drag the renderer, drag the spotlight, go to tools, 3D light, ambient light, take the image plane, take the merge node, take the camera node, connect to the renderer, connect spotlight and ambient light like this, take the spotlight, another spotlight if you want, take the camera, take the merge 3D, make it a little nicer like this, two merges, image plane. If you don't know how to get this select tools, it's a control and space, and take the resize, connect to the image plane, go on media pool and take the media in box front, connect to the resize, image plane connect to the merge, and the merge connect to the another merge, and this is for now finished. Picture size, it will be 750 times 1000, and resize will be uncheck the auto resolution and use the 1000 by 1000. Go on image plane and change the scale, uncheck the lock and use the scale 0.75. Click on the merge, number 2 on the keyboard, and you will see your picture, image plane with picture like this. Select the image plane again, go on pivot and change the pivot to minus 0.5 for X and the Y axis, and then use the height to the 0.5 and the offset on Y 0.5. We do this because we want to align the picture and the plane to the grid. So this is exactly at zero alignment. So now take the resize, Control C to copy 2 times, because we want front, we want top, and we want side. Drag the side and drag the top like this. Connect the media into the resize, take another plane, or you can just select this one and Control C to copy, and 2 times again, and connect just like this. Connect image plane to the merger one more time, and now we will get the second picture like this, but it will be stretched. So what you want to do is go on scale and resize to the Y scale 0.2, because the picture is 750 and 200 pixels. Now take the offset and just rise to 1.5. 1.5 is the offset because the height of the picture of the first image plane is 0.75. So double that, it will be, let's say, 1.5. So what you want to do now is X rotation and just rotate to -90, and you will make the top of the box finished. You use the same thing for the side. Connect media into the resize, connect to the resize to the image plane, and connect to the merge, just like this. Just like this. But because it's stretched all the way, what we want to do is just X scale, just like this, 2.2. And this will be here for the side. Y rotation, like this, -90. And then drag the Z, 0.2. And our box is finished. The faces are finished. So because this is empty space here behind, you can just use the connect the other merge to the merge, just like this. Take the 3 backgrounds, connect to the resizes, you see, just copy like this, connect it, and use the image plane, copy paste like this, and you will get the bottom of the box. This is the same process for making the other planes. When is everything finished, you will get this, and box is finished. If you want to resize, if you want a larger picture, larger box to extend for like a 400 pixels, you make a JPEG picture or PNG. You just make 400 by 750, and then what you want to do is go on image plane on the side, and then go on the scale 0.4, and then F or Z offset 0.4, you see, and then the top one is the same size 4, and you are done. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.